Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking a ride through my parents' subdivision, and I'm on the golf cart with my mother and she is speeding me through the subdivision. I'm getting dizzy. I'm just holding on here just along for the ride. So I just hope that you enjoyed this. This was just a fun day that we had today, spending family time. Once I got done with this joy ride with my mom, my sister took over the wheel. Phew! And then we had a nice leisurely drive through the rest of the subdivision, just kind of enjoying each other's company and enjoying the beautiful day that we have here today in the Carolinas. So we are still sheltering in place, so to speak. We are social distancing and we are limiting our time out in social situations. We're definitely staying masked up when we do that and have our hand sanitizer. So this was just an activity that we can do while being safe, but also being out in the sun, which is so important during this time that you get your natural vitamin D. So that's what we did. We just took a nice long ride, just kind of chilling, just kind of catching up, laughing, talking, and just enjoying ourselves. I guess that's the best thing about the times that we're in now. You know, it's a lot of scary times. It's a lot of unknowns and uncertainties, you know, but it's still a blessing to have your family, to be able to spend some time with them and just enjoy each other's company. Now, my sister decided that she was going to take a little detour down into these woods, and I'm not so sure we can even fit through this little space here, but it seemed to work out. She had it in her mind that we were going to this small lake to look at some canoes and whatnot. This was a place that we had gone years ago when we were looking for places for my parents to live. This is a senior community, 55 and older, active seniors. And so she remembered this place and she wanted to go back there today. So that's what we're doing. We're riding on this golf cart. I'm getting a little nervous now because we've been out here riding for a while and I'm not sure how long the charge is going to be on this thing. And the last thing I'd want to do is get lost down here in these woods where I don't know where we are. But we're just riding through here and I'm just going to take you along and you will see what we come to. Thanks so much for going on this journey with me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you were able to kick back and relax, if only for 10 minutes. It's so important that we do that. Just do something, whatever it is that relaxes you. Listen to some calming music. Take a ride, take a walk. Sit down and just enjoy nature and just enjoy yourselves and forget about everything that's going on in the world around us. It's so important that we take the time to do that. That's the only way we're going to make it through this, and staying prayerful and having faith that we're going to be okay. I thank you so very much for coming along with me today. If you're not currently a member of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family, please don't leave today without subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I would love to have you as a part of my family. I upload videos typically about home decor, weight loss and exercise, cooking vlogs, shopping hauls, thrifting hauls, at least once or twice a week. So if you didn't enjoy this video, I'm sure that I'll have some content that meets your liking. This is a lifestyle channel for the mature woman, so I cover a number of topics. There's my mom looking for me. Gotta go. See you next time.